The 1979 Minnesota twin study began to change our understanding of nature versus nurture. Researchers studied both fraternal and identical twins who were separated at birth and raised in different environments to see how much environment versus genetics shaped them. Twins raised apart showed striking similarities in intelligence, personality, and even habits, indicating a strong genetic influence. But differences in values showed that environment matters too. The Minnesota twin study remains a cornerstone of psychology, highlighting the complex interplay between genes and environment.